How to log in to ChatGPT 4 with Microsoft account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your ChatGPT with your Microsoft account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your ChatGPT. Head over to chatgpt.com and there we are. So after you're here, you will need to head over to this sign up for free option. If you don't have an account already, tap on sign up for free. After you tap on sign up for free, it should take you to this page right here. So there you'll see create account option. So there we go. Now right here, you will see an option that will allow you to create an account using your email address. So what we'll do right here is continue with Microsoft account. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you can simply create an account using Microsoft. Now, similarly, if you already have created account using your Microsoft account, you can go to the login page and log in with your Microsoft account. So I'll show you guys what to do. I'll tap on this accept option. As you can see, this is my Microsoft account. And after doing that, here, I will need to tell them my name, my birthday. So let me just type my birthday here. Then tap on continue. After doing that, it should start logging me in. And yeah, it can take some time depending on your internet speed. So just wait for it. And there we go. So there you can see I have logged in using my Microsoft account. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.